and tonight we are doing another fragrance review. Okay, sa pagkakataon pong ito, ang i-review naman natin ay ang, here's the box, Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani, and ito po ay Eau de Parfum Concentration. So ito po yung box niya, ganito yung itsura. May mga information siya sa likod. Okay, and the bottle is right here, and as you can see, medyo konti na lang yung laman. But this is 125 ml at medyo matagal ko na rin po siyang ginagamit. So, in terms of smell, ang profile po nito is fresh and woody. Okay, na may C notes na kasama. So, that makes it interesting. Una pong lumitaw to, yung naunang, kumbaga parang tatay nito, is yung Acqua di Gio Eau de Toilette noong 1996, kung tama yung memorya ko. And ang perfumer po behind this one is Alberto Morillas. Para dito na lang sa Eau de Parfum. But yung Eau de Toilette, you have Alberto Morillas and I think si Anik Bernardo yata. So ito po, bukod sa citrus, woody, C notes, medyo may konting sweetness din. Okay. Very, very safe po ito for office wear and also for casual occasion. Okay. Pagdating po sa staying power o sa kung gaano katagal ito sa skin, average lang po. Although this is an eau de parfum concentration. So average lang naman siya. Siguro, I would say, between 6 to 8 hours. Okay, so damit medyo mas matagal ng konti. And then, this one is good, lalo na sa mga bansa na kagaya natin, lalo na ngayong summertime na sobrang init. Kasi, hindi siya, wala siyang, sangsang factor. You know, pag mainit, pinagpapawisan ka, and then you spray, minsan nag-iiba na yung amoy ng pabango. And of course, kung masyadong malakas yung projection ng pabango mo pagka mainit at nasa kulog kang lugar, people don't appreciate that kasi parang suffocating yung amoy. This one isn't like that. Okay. And kung first time mong bibili ng pabango and you haven't tried this one, safe po ito, I would say, for a blind buy kasi hindi siya offensive. Okay. Ngayon, siguro, kung merong may pipintas dito, is the fact that medyo marami na siyang kaamoy. Okay, so parang generic na din yung amoy niya. But then again, kanya-kanya naman po tayo ng panlasa. Okay, so kung naghahanap kayo ng pabango na sweet, medyo may scent ng dagat, medyo may pagka-woody, okay, and fresh din. I would recommend this one, Acqua di Gio Eau de Parfum. Okay, so sana po nakatulong itong ating mini review. Okay, that's it for me for tonight. At maraming salamat po. Until next time.